This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Sangria is a cocktail made with wine, brandy and fruits. I tried to recreate it without alcohol and it was really good, so I'm going to share the recipe with you all. To make 1 liter of Virgin Sangria, I'm going to first juice 3 cups of pomegranate, and 3 cups of grapes, and strain both the juices out. I am also going to slice 1 orange, similarly I have sliced 1 lemon, and now I am going to dice about 1 cup of apple. I am now going to put all my ingredients in a 1 liter bottle, starting with the pomegranate and grape juice. I am going to add the orange rings and then the lemon rings and top this with the apples. Finally, I am going to fill the rest of the bottle with packaged cranberry juice. And I am going to chill this for a minimum of 1 hour so all the flavors of the fruit get into the drink. To serve, I am just going to pour it into a glass, spoon some apples in along with a ring of orange, and our Virgin Sangria is ready. I found that this is another refreshing drink for summers. Please make it and comment below on how you liked it. You all inspire me to try out new recipes, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.